I bought the best car on the world. Also the worst car on the world with the worst engine ever. It's disaster. Enjoy. And what I can say about this car in first 5 days. The best one is because it's a cabrio. The worst one is because he has 1.9 liter DCI engine. That engine, it's known like an engine that have bad turbo and electronics are disaster. This car is in pretty good mechanical shape, but I love to change car and get car that didn't have pretty much love like every car deserves. So I'm going to review this car and everything inside, interior, seats will be recovered on this channel. So if you like this type of content, consider subscribing. If you like to watch deep cleaning, we will do deep cleaning the next day on him and completely leather recovery and cleaning. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep up. Engine, like I said, 1.9 liter DCI, works smoothly, but I'm afraid of this engine. I have a friend that had very big troubles with this engine. Will I have it too? I'm not sure. We will see. The roof, I don't know. We will see now. I think it's work properly, but tell me in the comments, is it have any problems? So that was my new old car that we will work on him together. Consider subscribing and let's see how he actually can look in the next few videos. Don't forget, I am doing deep cleaning and interior detailing on him in the next videos. Subscribe and see you soon. Bye.